winter sowing.
Tip number 1, just some quick tips, you all. You can winter sow anything, flowers, vegetables, whatever you want to do. Just get your basic materials and you're ready to go. If you don't know what those basic materials are or how to winter sow, or you've never heard of the concept, please check out my playlist on winter sowing. Tip number 2, when you get your seeds in, make sure you pre-moisten the soil before you sow, but you also want to water in the seeds after you sow. Okay, because we want to create condensation inside of the plastic container, which will ultimately give us that greenhouse effect, like so. Hopefully you can see the little moisture bubbles on the containers, and this is a good way to tell whether or not you need to water. So if you don't see the condensation on the containers, then you probably need to water, which isn't often at all. The next tip, you can plant more than one variety in a jug. For instance, this is for peppers, and I have 2 types. I have the Goldfinger ornamental, and I have the lipstick pepper. Simple as that. I'm just putting a little stick in the middle to make sure that they're divided, and I know which ones are. I labeled them, and we're good. I'm labeling here and in the containers. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope this was helpful. Bye.